Hi, let's see how to use the Christmas sale project. It's for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, your Instagram Stories. You can use it for in those platforms. Okay, for using that, first go to Final Comps and choose one of these composition. For example, I choose number 5, as you can see, and then go to Edit Comps, Edit Text, and number 5 we have for text composition here. For example, you can change all these text. For example, I want to change this text, for example, 35%, and maybe make it all caps. I don't know, align it to the center and see the animation. Then for the settings, you can go to color and setting folder. Here choose the number 5 composition, select the color and setting layer, go to effect controls here, and you can see all the color controls and the text positions here. You can change all of them. For example, like, let's change this to something like this. And this maybe white, maybe this a bit pink. It's up to you. The box the same, the text like background. I don't know, maybe the trees. Looks like it's far. Something like this. You can change it with any color you want. And after that, you can go back to Final Composition here and check the animation and simply go to Composition panel here and hit Add to Render Queue or Add to Video Encoder Queue, or simply hit Ctrl M and render it out. That's it for this one. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching, and Merry